Hisense AX5140Q Dolby Atmos Soundbar Review Best Mid-Range. Dolby Atmos Soundbar for home theater? If you want a more immersive home theater setup without spending premium money, the Hisense AX5140Q is an interesting option. With Dolby Atmos rear speakers and dedicated subwoofer, it offers much more than a basic soundbar. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Hisense 5.1.4 channel system that includes a soundbar, wireless subwoofer, and 2 wireless rear speakers. The 4 up-firing speakers are designed to create overhead effects with Dolby Atmos content, helping make movies and TV shows feel more immersive. Hisense rates the system at up to 600 watts of total power, and it supports both Dolby Atmos and DTS-X. You also get several listening modes, including movie, music, game, sport, news, and night. For movies, the dedicated center channel helps make dialogue easier to follow, while the rear speakers provide a wider surround experience. The wireless subwoofer adds stronger bass for action scenes, music, and gaming. Setup is relatively simple, and compatible Hisense TVs can take advantage of features such as High Concerto and S-Play for easier integration and control. However, there are some limitations. The AX5140Q doesn't offer 4K at 120 Hz pass-through, which could matter to gamers using newer consoles or high-refresh gaming setups. It also doesn't provide some of the advanced wireless audio features found on more expensive soundbars. The system is also best suited to buyers who want a complete surround setup. If you prefer a simple soundbar with fewer speakers and cables, a 2.1 or 3.1 system may be more convenient. Overall, the Hisense AX5140Q is a strong mid-range choice for movie and TV fans who want Dolby Atmos rear surround speakers and powerful bass without paying premium prices. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the AX5140Q.